Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're here in Gentry, Arkansas at the Carpenters Mortuary Spook House. It's a haunted house that takes place in an old actual mortuary, and the place is actually haunted too. Stick around to the end and I'll give you a link to our investigation. Speaking of ghosts, according to the haunt story, there's several spirits that are trapped here and contributing to all the madness going on inside. We're gonna take you inside to meet some of them. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
We are gonna get lost in the world's smallest corn maze. Oh, Tammy's already lost. She's already lost. You can't find your way out? Go left.
That was fun.
Oh no. Tammy, now I'm lost. Oh!
I'm lost.
Caw-caw! Trevor, can you help us? We need help out. Which way do we go?
You guys should go to the, just go straight.
I can't go straight.
You're left. What? Which way is that? Help! The world's smallest corn maze is so difficult.
Just don't get within biting distance. You know, since we've decided to maybe ravage.
Don't let her bite. Oh, she doesn't have any teeth.
That means she can't bite us.
Right. She can gum us though. He's got the tickets.
We can do four.
Lord. Oh, the body's.
We can't do six. We do six, you're gonna have to clean up.
He's creepy.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. Knock, knock.
Oh. Come on, get in there.
I don't know.
I'm gonna pass.
Oh my. Oh, did you see that? No.
What was it?
There was something around the corner. And it disappeared. Oh my gosh. The clock has lost it. Both of them have lost it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Where did they go? I swear somebody was in here.
Are you sure?
I am sure. I saw them. Maybe it was a ghost.
You're right. Crematorium. Oh, this can't be good.
No. I think I'm eating that.
We're gonna go this way.
Don't let her have your body part.
Nope.
There's a coffin. There's a person.
There's something waving at us.
I see fingers.
I see fingers too. Oh my, what in the world? Why is it wet?
I don't know.
Oh, the
It's
vampire.
moist.
Alive.
There's the kit.
Oh,
That's
God.
a vampire there? Oh my gosh, they're wet. That's gross.
That's why it's wet.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you got some flesh. Ooh, lots of blood, lots of blood. Ugh. No! No, Timmy! Okay.
He's got the jitters.
The jitters?
He's got the jitters.
I got it a little bit.
I don't think so. I don't think it's a good idea.
I think you should stay in there.
Whoa! Oh no! You guys stay in there. You guys stay in there.
Ew, that's creepy.
Oh no!
Oh my.
No. God, no way. You're already out. Is that the one that let him out? Holy shit.
No.
Oh, are you supposed to be in there? Oh my.
I knew it.
I'm not letting you out. Look. I know. No. It's floating.
Why'd you make her mad?
I don't know. I'm just here.
It's up right behind you. Behind you.
Just for you.
Oh no! No games for me. I don't even know how to play a game.
Somebody had blowout in there.
That's just Pete.
Claudio's gonna follow you.
There's demons in the walls.
Follow you.
No! Why are they're walking up there above us? That's creepy. Ooh!
slightly distant.
Oh my God! That thing has big old hands. Uh-oh. Tammy, there's a ghost. Oh, there's so many ghosts here. Oh my. Oh! That one's fast.
No.
Trevor!
No.
Trevor's trying to hide. Oh God, I don't like that thing.
Oh, there he is again.
Where are you going?
Not
Need help with my eye?
No, it looks like you got it. You got it.
I don't know how to fix it.
I know you got it. Oh, it's that demon.
Oh God.
Oh man.
Oh God.
No, sir.
He's sneaky.
Oh God.
Oh no, I don't need anything from the lab. But thank you.
I think he's preparing to kill us.
Probably. Oh, they've been waiting a while. I don't think we want to wait. Oh! That is real. That was good.
No, you're not supposed to be up here. No. No, it's not. No, we made it out yet.
Oh my You want to take a ride on the Ferris wheel?
Yeah, that sounds.
Just went for a ride. It
No.
was the funnest thing ever.
No.
I bet it is.
Ever. Funnest place ever. Oh my. Oh. I don't want to touch the walls. There's all kinds of webs. Ew, there's a spider. Oh my God, that's a really big, oh! That's a big spider. I didn't see that before. Oh!
That's cool.
Oh, that's really cool. Look at him.
Oh, another pepper's box.
Oh, ooh.
Oh man.
Oh.
Oh man.
I like that.
That's what they're gonna do. They're gonna disorient us and then kill us.
Don't go yet. Little Jack says stay a little longer.
We gotta find the Ferris wheel.
Exactly, we're going to the Ferris wheel.
Oh, there's chicken feet. Oh. That door just moved.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's apples! Oh my God!
Oh, that's really cool.
Oh man.
Where's the witch?
There's the witch!
Oh, she's in there. Maybe.
No!
The witch is out. I don't want nobody to bite me. Uh-oh, she's gonna put witchcraft on us. Fine. The doors are just like, ew. Ah! What?
Hi. Oh.
Ew. Doesn't that make your skin fall? Ew.
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh my.
Ooh, something's touching. Oh man, he's having a good old time. Well, he was.
Oh! You again.
Hurry! Ooh, not even had eyeballs. Turn back now.
Oh God.
Oh my. You made her mad.
I'm sorry. I don't know what I keep doing to these poor people.
That don't look good at all.
I'm gonna talk you up.
Oh, just cut off the bed.
Come on, I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat.
You probably shouldn't eat that.
Probably not. Not good for you.
Oh God.
Come on, ladies.
Oh my.
Daddy's hungry.
What
You look like a scrumptious meal a day tonight.
Sorry.
This is where it's gonna end.
And
This is where it's gonna end, because I'm getting ready to strap you guys up by your little ankles and start gutting you guys open like little pigs.
no, that's
And
not
it looks like we're getting ready to have us one of those lost footage tapes right here, huh? You ready for this, honey?
No.
I'm gonna
That's-
count to 3. You guys better run. 1,
Okay.
Oh God.
Sorry, cameraman. I'm knocking you down.
Oh God.
3. Good luck, honey.
We gotta climb the table.
God.
Out the door,
Oh,
out the door, out
that's
the
a
door.
juicy one.
I'm not gonna sneak past you. I'm just gonna sneak out of here.
Gonna sneak out of here. That was good.
It was. I like the black.
Where people were above you, that really got me.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, where is that sound? Where are they coming from?
I know. Everyone's seen Trevor. We lost him in the corn maze. Oh, that might be him. Trevor!
Alright guys, that was it for the Carpenters Mortuary. Once again, we're down here in Gentry, Arkansas. Let us know what you thought. We're going to a pretty good handful of haunts while we're down here in the area, so make sure you subscribe and I'll link to another video for you right here. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.